English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Need, juice, only. Need. Need is a verb. A1 learners usually know need. At A1, to need means must have. To need to do something means it is necessary to do it. Here are some examples. I need to buy some new glasses. They badly need a new car. She needs to go to the hospital later. Juice. Juice is a noun. A1 learners usually know juice. Juice is the liquid that comes from fruit or vegetables. Here are some examples. Would you like some water or some juice? She buys some orange juice every week. The shop has a range of juices in the cold section. Only. Only is an adverb and an adjective. A1 learners usually know only. At A1, only, adverb, means not more than a certain number or amount. Only, adjective, means that there are not any others. Here are some examples. These apples cost only £1. She only passed one of her exams. He was the only person to get angry. Now write some of your own sentences with need, juice and only. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.